Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube link to your TikTok bio. So in this video I'm going to show you two possible solutions because for certain people there's no such option in their profile, what I'm going to talk about in the first possible solution. Alright, so the first possible solution is to tap your profile on the bottom right corner, then you're going to click edit profile under your profile picture and just go down and click links. Here now I can see Instagram and YouTube. I'm going to click YouTube, click continue. And you basically just need to sign in with the Google account that is connected to your YouTube account. After you signed in and clicked continue, now the link is basically here in the YouTube section. But for certain people, there's no YouTube, just Instagram, for example. So in this scenario, the only thing you can do is either to get over 1000 followers and then you will have a website link possibility in your bio. So for example, here I have an account with over 1000 followers, and if I click to the links, we have a website possibility, and you just click on the website and basically you can just put your YouTube link in here. But if you don't have over 1000 followers and you are a company, what you can do is switch to a business account. But what you need to keep in mind is that you're gonna get a trial version of this business account. But after that, you need to verify that you are a business. So there is gonna be a business verification, and with a business account, you basically can put a website link in your bio, and this way you can put your YouTube link in your bio. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add YouTube link to TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.